All right, so we have Elaine here. Elaine is one of our top transformers. She's been doing amazing in our program. She's lost all her weight. She's hit her goals. She's built a lot of healthy habits and really set herself up for success throughout her whole life. So she's here to share with you guys a little bit of her story, her progress, and what she's achieved so far in our program. So Elaine, before you started with us, like share with us, where were you on your fitness journey?
I didn't have one. I didn't have one. I wasn't a very active person, really, and I really, really loved to eat. Um, Blessed with good genes, so didn't really get that big, I guess, quote unquote. But when I moved to Canada, I went to university, and that's where I gained all of my weight, freshman 15, 20, 25, whatever you want to call it. And then at the time, I kind of accepted the weight, and I bought clothes for it, and that was just my weight then, and I just never really gave it a second thought. So I've just sat at that weight, and then obviously got heavier throughout the years because I wasn't changing anything. My appetite for food and my love for food grew as well with graduating, having a stressful job, and not shutting it off, obviously not balancing that out, not having a healthier lifestyle. um
Gotcha. So it sounds like before you started, you weren't really active. You were eating whatever you want. You've probably seen a lot of your friends from university gain the extra weight. You were blessed with good genes, so you didn't gain too much weight, but you did put on like your freshman 15. Um, but yeah, it's not uncommon. Like a lot of people when they go to university, they don't have PE class anymore. They're probably working part-time. They have some extra income to buy some extra food. And being in university, it's stressful, right? Being studying long hours, going to classes. And so the last thing you want to do is exercise. The last thing you want to do is take care of yourself. And as a result, a lot of people will put on some extra weight. But university, it doesn't teach you how to live a healthy lifestyle, how to eat properly, how to exercise, and really create balance. And so when you joined our program, I'm curious, what are some of the habits that you've created so far?
um I had to like start from scratch. I found it was difficult in the beginning because I feel like I had to learn what being healthy even really looked like. I had to start like exercising. What does that mean? What does it look like? It's all very intimidating, and I think that's why a lot of people are reluctant to go into it, myself included. Um, but the habits that I built was like actually like just the knowledge gain helped me build the habits and want me to continue doing them. So I learned a lot about like what food is good for me, at what portion, the timings of when to eat, and also just the importance of like working out, being aware of like, like the expenditure and like the intake, and like you don't need to know the exact science, but you will be able to feel it out in your body and kind of like balance it out, and so that's one of the biggest things, and just like consistency and like actually like loving or be feeling this way, and like feeling lighter and just feeling healthier, and just like also just knowing what you put in your body. And like before I used to like hate cooking. I was just like, oh, I don't like cooking, it's so much work. But like now, like I prefer it than like eating out most times, just because, oh, I know, what's in it. I feel like it's good when I eat out, like even though it's like a salad, like you don't really know what's in it, and so you're kind of like, hmm, I hope that's fine. But for the most part, it's like pretty okay. And so just general, I guess, like awareness and
Awesome.
a love for living this healthier lifestyle, I think were the things that I gained. Habits wise, just the motivation part for me. The motivation is easy in the beginning. It's the consistency really that's really supporting the lifestyle now.
Mhm. Like in the beginning, everyone's motivated, but you don't want to rely on motivation alone. You want to build something that we call automatic habits, and you want to follow that process, kind of like
Yeah.
brushing your teeth. And when you have those habits, you have that process, it makes it a lot easier to follow through. And so it sounds like you've learned a lot throughout the program. You learn how to prep your own food. You learn to understand what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat. You really fall in love with the process. Now you're exercising almost every day, and so you've achieved like massive transformation and massive results. And so share with us some of those results. What kind of results have you achieved so far in our program?
Yeah, I guess like numerically, I am back to like double digits now. And the last time I was in double digits, I was in like high school. So that was like X number of years ago. And just I didn't know I had muscles in my body where they were. They've never been like visible. So like being like really toned, I guess like just like physically being able to see like the results of like the working out outside of like the number. Um, those are the big two, I think. And just, I don't know, like being, I don't know if hungry is the right word, but like I never want to be that person again. I didn't like how that felt. I didn't like how it affected my mental health. I didn't realize how it affected my mental health. Like now actually being able to lead a healthier lifestyle also seeped into a lot of facets in my life, you know, being able to cut my day, you know, sometimes after work you're really tired, especially like me, like working in the tech industry, like you work long hours, stuff like that. Um, after work you're just like you're so tired, you're so drained, you don't even want to think about cooking or like really anything good for yourself. So you're just like you pick something quick and it's usually like something really bad for you. And then but now like because I know that oh, I have a workout, it's been able to help me create that separation as well as a young person really like growing in their career to not just focus on the career but also focus on the body because that's what goes first in the long run because you're trying to just really get there. But yeah.
So it sounds like you're really creating balance, like a work and fitness and nutrition balance. That's really important, especially for a young individual. And then also, it sounds like you've achieved some massive results. You've hit double digits, so like 99 pounds. I know you're not the tallest person, but 99 pounds is a big deal.
It
You've
is.
lost over, 15 pounds now. You've built consistency. You're finding muscles in areas that you didn't even know existed. So feeling more toned. So awesome job. We're all really proud of you. And so for everyone watching this video that wants to inquire about a program or wants to learn more or even wants to join but a little bit hesitant or stuck, what would you say to them?
There's nothing to lose. um and I know you're probably thinking that oh it's going to be too hard, like you know, like I don't think I have time. I feel like that's the biggest thing for me as well, like oh, I'm too busy, I don't have time for it. But really it's just like getting started is hard, but just try, I think is my advice, is because you don't realize how much you can do until you do it. That's what I've realized through all of this. Like I didn't think I could ever do a push up or whatever, like ever, but now I can do them comfortably, obviously with support and like the coaching. And so there's nothing to lose other than weight and everything to gain. I feel stronger, healthier, a lot happier as well. So yeah, just try.
Amazing. So it doesn't hurt to try. It sounds like you're not going to lose anything except your weight. So obviously, we're really proud of you, Elaine. You're doing amazing. You've achieved, your fitness goal. Now it's just a matter of maintenance, which is easy. And so for everyone that's watching, I want to leave you guys a little gift. It's my ebook. It's called Weight Loss Detox. There's some recipes and workouts and 3-step formula to boost metabolism. And then also, if you're friends or family with Elaine, I want to offer you a 7-day free trial in our program. All you have to do is comment me below, and then I'll either get in touch or my team and I will get in touch with you, see if you're a good fit, and then hopefully help you guys out on your fitness journey as well. So Elaine, thanks for coming on, and keep up all the hard work.
Thank you.